Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss the next topic of chapter 1, that are central problems of an economy. Every country is facing the central problems of an economy. Which of these central problems? First, there are three central problems arise in economy. First, what to produce. Every economy is thinking what to produce. Second, how to produce. And third problem, that is for whom to produce. Now, the three questions arise in every economy. What to produce, government is thinking, economy is thinking what to produce. Second problem, how to produce, and third, for whom to produce. The first question arises, what to produce. Every economy is deciding which kind of goods is to be produced so that the wants satisfied can be maximum. It means every economy wants to satisfy their wants. So, for satisfying their wants, which kind of goods is to be produced? There are two types of goods mainly which the economy is deciding. First, that is consumer goods. Which kind of goods? Consumer goods. And second, that is capital goods. Consumer goods means which goods are used by the consumer to satisfy their wants. Consumer goods means that type of goods which is consumed by the consumer to satisfy their wants. Just like clothes, shoes, this kind of goods are known as consumer goods. Capital goods, that kind of goods which is used by the producer to increase the production as an investment. Just like machineries, tools. So, every economy is deciding what kind of goods is to be produced, consumer goods or capital goods, so that economy can be run smoothly. So, consumer goods, clothes and shoes, example machineries and tools, that are known as a capital goods. Even economy is deciding one more types of goods, that is if there is any kind of problem in the economy, then in that condition government is deciding whether they are going to produce peacetime goods. It means everything is perfect, then peacetime goods or wartime goods. Peacetime goods, again you can see consumer goods, and wartime goods, it means they are going to produce arm, defense. So, economy has to decide also which kind of goods produce peacetime goods or wartime goods. Peacetime goods, it means consumer goods or capital goods, whether it is produced by consumer goods or capital goods. And second, wartime goods, if there is any unconditional activity moves in our economy, so economy is going to decide what time goods is to be produced or not. Clear? So, first question arises, what to produce, which kind of goods are to be produced in the economy. After deciding consumer goods and capital goods, the second question arises, that is at what quantity is going to be produced in both the goods. It means the second question, in that only what to produce after deciding the type of the goods, consumer goods or capital goods. The second question arises, that is in which quantity it has to be produced. It has to be produced. Clear? After deciding, if economy has decided we should produce capital goods, then the second question arises, how much quantity is going to be produce. So in what to produce, clear? Now what to produce, what the economy is going to decide it, consumer goods or capital goods. After deciding consumer goods and capital goods, economy is going to decide in which quantity it has to be produced. Clear? Now the second goods, that is second question arises, how to produce. Now there are two techniques that are how to produce. After deciding what to produce, if the economy has decided consumer goods, so this big question arises, how to produce. How to produce, there are two techniques that are, at least at what method, at which method this economy is going to produce the goods, and which method, at what method economy is going to produce goods and services. So at which technique is going to be used for production. There are two techniques, that is first labor intensive and second capital intensive. Labor intensive and second, that is capital intensive. In labor intensive, labor used more than capital. Clear? Labor used more than capital. Clear? In which we are using more and more labors so that unemployment can be reduced. In capital intensive, we are using technology, machinery greater than labor. It means we are producing our goods by technology, by machineries, in which we are using higher machineries, higher capital intensive than labor. Clear? It means, second question, how to produce, which kind of techniques we are going to use, labor intensive or capital intensive. In labor intensive, we are using more and more labor than capital. In capital intensive, we are using more and more capital, it means more and more machineries than labor. Clear? The second question, which economy is going to decide. The third question arises, that for whom to produce. The third question, that is for whom to produce. It means economy is going to decide it whether they are going to produce. Every economy, all of you know, every economy has a two section of the society. The first section, that is poor, and the second section, that is richer. So economy is going to decide whether they are going to produce for poor or for richer section of the society. If they want to do equality in the economy, they want to do a maximum social welfare, equality. Listen it carefully, because this point is very important. If the economy want to equality in the economy, or they want to get a maximum social welfare. In that condition, they are going to produce for poor section of the society. But when there is a maximum social welfare, if they are producing for the social welfare, definitely profit will be less. In that condition, profit will be less. Because the target of the economy is to achieve maximum social welfare rather than achieve maximum profit. Clear? Second question, that is richer section of the society. If economy want to increase their GDP and growth and the development, then they are going to produce for which section of the society? For richer section of the society. If economy want to achieve maximum profit in the economy, which kind of profit? Maximum profit in the economy. They want to achieve higher GDP growth rate. That in that condition they are going to produce richer section of the society. Clear? Now I am just giving you quick recapitulation what to produce. Economy has to decide it. First problem, that is what to produce. It means consumer goods has to be produced or capital goods. If it is decided which kind of goods, then they are going to decide at what quantity they are going to produce. Next techniques, that is how to produce. How to produce, all of you know, I told you there are two techniques, that is labor intensive and capital intensive. In labor intensive they are using more and more labor rather than capital. In capital intensive they are using more and more capital rather than labor. Clear? That is known as how to produce. Third question arises for whom to produce. There are two sections of the society, poor section and richer section. If economy want to get the maximum social welfare, then they are going to produce for poor section of the society. If they want to achieve maximum profit in that condition, they are going to go for richer section of the society. Now the next topic, that is solution of central problems in different economy, which we are going to discuss in next session. Thank you for today.